Okay, I bought this. This is a 2-inch ball. I don't think it's going to be very good for this huge trailer. Well, this trailer goes clear down from here, clear down there. It's over 20 feet. Now this is the hitch that I want to go with. I got this at Harbor Freight, and I'm going to have to cut the front end off. I'm going to have to cut some back in here so that that hitch over there works. Gonna try this new cutoff wheel, the Gator. I don't know if it's any better or any worse than any other one. Made by ALI. One of the fastest ways to cut something is with a torch, and this is oxyacetylene. Now you'll find different ideas on what you set these at, but really the tank has a regulator, and then the torch actually has a regulator. And then to top it off, you have two valves for both of them. Acetylene is usually red and oxygen is green. So you can turn this on all the way if you'd like. And right now it's at 120 pounds for the oxygen. And then this one regulates, here it comes out here, this regulates the torch itself right here. So we'll take this one, I usually turn it to about 15 or 20. And then the same for the acetylene. You have to use this little device, little wrench, and there's a very small square drive thing back here for the valve. And this one, turn it about a quarter of a turn, something like that. It's really not that important how much you set the tank pressure at. This one now is about 120 psi. I turned it possibly less than a quarter of a turn. All right, and then here is the important part. And notice that this is a Harris, and they have been making torches like this for a long, long time. So this one, I'm going to set this to about 7. And then we'll take this outside. Okay, now I want to cut this off. If you take this hitch and look at it, it can go back clear to here for the width of this. So this has to, a lot of this has to be cut off. Straighten the kinks out of your hose. I always use a sparker like this. Start it. First of all, you're going to turn your oxygen down here. You're going to turn this all the way on. And then you have another valve for the oxygen up here. And this regulates how much oxygen comes out the torch. So just give it a little bit of acetylene. There's only one valve for the acetylene. You don't want, see all that smoke? You don't want that. Turn it so it's not smoking, and then turn this on. Okay, now you don't want it like that. Wait until that you have no big flames of oxygen. It's blue right there. Now you gotta have goggles like this. First of all, you're going to get your metal red hot until it's melting a little bit, and then hit the oxygen. Now when you turn off the oxygen first, down up here. And then turn off the acetylene. Okay, I've got 4 cutoff discs. This one over here says Performax, and these all, by the way, came from a store called Menards. There's a Menards car in the NASCAR circuit. Also this one right here, the second one, is a Master Force. It says full bore multi-cut, and that has diamonds in it. I hope it's going to work. The second one is a Master Force, and that is 4.5. All of these are 4.5. The next one down here is Ferd. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, and I believe that is a German or European manufacturer, and that one has a depressed center in it, so that your bolt or fastener will be set back a little bit from the cutting edge. So we'll see which one of these perform. Well, I've got through part of it. I ran out of gas, so I'm going to have to get some more gas for those cylinders. And the way you get more gas is you trade in the old cylinders and get new ones that are filled. Well, I tried this also. This is a very old Sawzall, but it works really good. I've had it for a long time. More than 20 years old. Saw blade in there. I found that Milwaukee saw blades are thicker,